We've started our 60-day senior fitness series, and today is day 24. If you're new here, welcome to our family of active seniors. We do simple, safe, and powerful exercises daily to keep your body strong and your spirit young. Exercise 1. Sit to stand. Chair squats, 50 repetitions. All right, my amazing seniors, let us begin with our first exercise of the day, sit to stand, also known as chair squats. This is one of the best exercises to strengthen your thighs, hips, and core muscles, helping you move more confidently in your daily life. First, grab your sturdy chair and place it on a flat surface so it does not slip. Make sure your feet are firmly on the ground. Now, sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart. Cross your arms gently in front of your chest. Keep your back straight and your eyes looking forward. Now we will begin. Stand up fully, then slowly sit back down. Move smoothly, breathe evenly, and go at your own pace. Remember, do not rush. Focus on good posture and control. I am right here with you, and we are going to count every repetition together from 1 to 50. Ready? Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How are you feeling so far? Keep going. You are stronger than you think. Let us continue together. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep breath and stay focused. You are doing wonderfully. Let us finish strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. Keep moving with me. Just 10 more to go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. You have just completed 50 full sit-to-stand repetitions. Feel the strength in your legs and the warmth in your muscles. That is your body thanking you for taking care of it. These movements improve your leg strength, balance, and circulation, making everyday activities easier. If you finished all 50 with me, give yourself a big smile and a pat on the back. Tell me in the comments how you are feeling right now and from which country you are joining today. And do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay active and healthy with you. Exercise 2, seated leg raises, 50 repetitions, each leg. All right, my wonderful seniors, it is time for our second exercise, seated leg raises. This is a simple yet powerful movement that helps to strengthen your knees, improve blood circulation, and keep your legs flexible. If you have been sitting for a while, this one is perfect for waking up those leg muscles gently. Now, stay seated on your sturdy chair. Sit tall, keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Hold the sides of the chair for support so you feel stable and balanced. We will begin with your right leg first. Slowly lift your right leg straight out in front of you. Hold it there for 1 second, then gently lower it back down. Now switch to your left leg and do the same. We will alternate legs and count all the way to 50 together. Remember to breathe evenly and go at your own pace. Ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing great. Keep those legs moving. Feel that gentle stretch in your thighs and knees. Let us keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How are you feeling? Are your legs warming up nicely? Remember, this movement improves your circulation and keeps your joints healthy. Let us push through the final 20. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Almost there. Keep your posture straight and lift with control. You are nearly done. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Fantastic work. You have completed 50 full repetitions of seated leg raises on each leg. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and feel that lightness in your legs. That gentle burn is your strength growing. These movements are amazing for keeping your joints mobile and your blood flowing smoothly through your lower body. Before we move on, take a moment to tell me in the comments, from which country are you exercising today? I love seeing our senior community come together from around the world, and do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join you on this fitness journey and keep their legs strong too. Exercise 3. Standing calf raises 50 repetitions. All right, my amazing seniors, it is time for our third and final exercise of the day. Standing calf raises. This movement is fantastic for strengthening your lower legs, improving balance, and helping you walk with more stability. You will also feel a wonderful stretch in your calves, which helps keep your ankles flexible and your circulation active. Now let us get started. Stand behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest gently for balance. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your posture tall. We will lift both heels off the ground, stand on our toes, and then slowly lower our heels back down. Move gently and stay in control. This is a low-impact exercise, but it works wonders for your leg strength. Ready? Let us begin counting together. Remember, we are going all the way to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep your breathing steady and your core tight. You are doing amazing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, How are you feeling? You should feel a gentle burn in your calves. That is your strength building up. Keep going. You are doing great. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there, my strong seniors. Just 10 more to go. Let us finish this round with full energy. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent job. You have completed 50 standing calf raises with me. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and give your legs a gentle shake to release any tension. Feel that lightness and warmth in your calves. That means your muscles are getting stronger and your balance is improving. If this is your second or third day doing these calf raises, notice how much easier they feel now. Progress is happening with every repetition. Tell me in the comments how your legs feel today and from which country you are joining this workout. And before you go, do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay strong, mobile, and active right along with you. You did it. All 3 leg exercises for day 24 completed. Type "I finished day 24" in the comments so I can cheer for you. Keep moving, stay positive, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 25.